come for join the Centennial Island Gullah Geechee family at the Centennial Island Community Market the first and the third Saturday from 10 a.m. to 3. All 100 children, you can come right on outdoors with the whole family because there ain't no admission, that thing free. Just bring a little bit of cash or thing like that for support all we vendors or thing like that. And 100 children, we got some thing gwine on. We gwine celebrate Black Music Month this year here. Then right behind that, we kind on up to Juneteenth. Then the Gullah Geechee Nation International Music and Movement Festival. And in the fall, come on y'all, we gonna have the first Gullah Geechee Gold Rice Fest. So come on through, bring the family and join me.
Let me take you to a place that I know, where a smooth groove will hit the floor. Folks sharp as they come in the door, and folks ready to groove some more. Come on y'all, and see Island step